Hi, I'm Robert Estrin. This is livingpianos.com, and we're getting ready for our annual piano sale. Every piano we've got is going on sale for this gorgeous Steinway. Hard to believe this piano is over 100 years old and completely rebuilt. And we have another Steinway here, Model M. Also rebuilt. We have so many Steinways, but we're not just Steinways. We've got Mason and Hamlin, Sommer, Knobby, Chickering, all kinds of American pianos, and beautiful German piano. Look at this Schiedmeier, rebuilt like it was when it was new. And this Steinway upright will be ready soon, putting the final touches on the action. And on, so many pianos. Here's a couple of pianos getting ready to go out that are sold. And we've got here an absolutely stupendous Baldwin. This is the Artist Series L63. What a stupendous piano. We have what I sometimes call our local market pianos. I don't even put these on the website because sometimes the shipping could be too much, but a couple of beautiful USA Baldwins here. Any of you looking for a great upright piano for a reasonable price. Back here in our second showroom, look at this, more Knobbies. Hazelton brothers. Who's heard of Hazelton? Hazelton made over 500,000 pianos. Who knew? Great instrument. This one was rebuilt not so long ago. It plays great. Got a Knobby upright, sometimes called an upright grand. On and on, a Mason and Hamlin grand piano, also rebuilt like new. And the two Mason and Hamlin baby grands, and the double B, the monumental double B, which is such a glorious instrument. This Steinway upright is sold, going out shortly. Almost brand new Yamaha we got in on trade. And another Steinway. And back here in the shop, we've got a two Steinway Bs that we're in the process of getting ready. And this, look at this really unusual piano. This Steinway Art Deco. That's really something. I bet you've never seen anything like that. And we got a Baldwin under all these blankets. We're doing some soundboard work on that. Just thought I'd give you a glimpse of what's going on here and the sale. You'll want to check it out for yourself. Again, I'm Robert Estrin. This is livingpianos.com, your online piano resource.